Brad Williams, XL Prime. Here we have an example of temperatures, and we want to know the max, we want to know the minimum, and then how about the daily change, the high and the low. The easiest way to do that is to use the max function. The max function has one required argument and then an option. We find a range, D5 to D15, our high and our low, and we find the max at 92. Now, if we want the min, we have one requirement. That's the number reference to a numeric value or range. Well, we have a range, C5 to D12, and we find the minimum, and it's 66. How about the daily change? We want the high. We can use the same format. We have a max, we have a range here, which is E5 to E12, and we find the max change, the low or the min, and we use the min, E5 to E12. There we got the max and the min and the high and the low. How do you find the change difference? You just go high versus low. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.